Welcome back to the Exago Technical Training Series. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install and configure the REST Web Service API on a Linux server with Apache installed. Installing the Web Service API on Linux is the same process as installing the web application. Review either installing Exago on Linux with Apache or installing Exago on Linux with Nginx for full details. The first step is to download the application installer. For information on accessing the installer, see the introduction video of this series. The only difference is that at the installer's silent mode command line, supply the I switch with the Web API keyword. In practice, the installer's command line supports multiple I commands, such as I web app, I web API, to install multiple components in one call. Now that the Web Service API has been installed on the server, restart the web server and then proceed to the next video for configuration.